Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for first date theme in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, the outfit will look like this, and I'm going to show you guys how I created this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you can color it black and also this bang. And then I'm going to go to the skirt area and I'm going to wear the skirt and color it with this red or maroon color. Okay, then I'm going to wear this top and I'm going to color it red as well. And then I'm going to move to this area and wear this skirt, color it red for all of the selections or all parts. Okay, now I'm going to wear this heel. Wait, let me click on this heel and I'm going to color it black. Okay, for the second selection, color it black and wear this heel as well. And then I'm going to color it black for all selections. Okay, now let's move to this area and I'm going to wear this sock and I'm going to make it high and I'm going to color it all white. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the necklace area, necklace and earrings. I'm going to wear this item. Okay, and then I'm going to color it red. Oops, sorry, I'm going to color it white for all these selections. And then I'm going to wear this earring as well. I'm going to color it white for the first selection. And for the second selection, color it red. Okay, then I'm going to wear this bag. I'm going to color it red for the first selection. And then the last one, I'm going to move to the dressing room and I'm going to wear Code's item. Okay, I'm going to wear this ribbon. I'm going to make it behind head and then I'm going to color it red for all of the selection. Okay, then I'm going to wear this sleeves. I'm going to make it smooth and make it red. Okay, and then this is the final result. Okay, you can put more accessories if you want. I'm just going to add one more accessory. I'm going to add glasses here. Okay, I'm just going to wear this one and I'm going to color the frame black. Okay, guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.